Hi, welcome to the Excel Logic Pro, where we will learn different functions and the formulas. Today I will teach you how to find or calculate grades in Excel. You can calculate student grades and so on. The formula for grades in Excel involve using functions such as if, nested if, and or to evaluate student scores and calculate their grades. But today I will teach you how to find the grade by using VLOOKUP formula. You can use if function, you can use nested if, you can use and, you can if or. But today I will teach you how to use the simplest formula, which is the VLOOKUP formula in finding grades. This formula, it is benefits for educators, teachers, and students who wish to monitor their academic progress and determine their grades for the subject. So you can calculate subject grades and so on. So this formula is more important because it helps you to monitor the academic progress and determine grades for the subject. Let us see. For example, this is my range. For example, the interval from 0 to 29, it is F, but from 30 to 44 is D, 45 to 64 C, 65 to 74 B, and 75 up to 100 is grade A. So this is our range. So we will use VLOOKUP formula to find the grades by using this range. Okay, so it's equal to VLOOKUP. Then I want to VLOOKUP this number, this grade here, which is AB2, comma, I want to look up this average. Then I come to the range, this one, I want to find this one in this range, comma, from this column to this we have two columns, from 1, 2, then we put comma, 2. Then close by using $sign, your range, close by using $sign, then enter. This formula means that you find this number in this range. So if this number is between 0 to 25, it will result to F, it returns F. And if this number is between 30 up to 44, will be or will return D. But if this number is between 45 to 64, will return C. As you can see, this one is 52.52. So it is within 45 and 65. So this one, according to our range, it is C. So this is how you can calculate grade by using the VLOOKUP formula. It is very simple. Then after that, in order to get formulas or in order to get answers for the other series or other student, drag this one. So when you change this one, for example, I want to change the range, that maybe F, I want 0 to 20, turn F, and from 21 to 44, turn D. So this will change. For example, let's say as you can see. So now 42.9 it is C because I changed the range from 45 to 41. So when I return, this one will be D, but when I change this one will be C, this range. So whatever you change the range, also the answer will change. So this is how you can use the VLOOKUP formula in finding grades. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos from this channel. Like, share and comment. See you in the next video.